Hello and welcome to Math 143. This is Quantitative Literacy class. My name is Amanda Davis and I'll be your instructor for the semester. We will most likely go through the navigation during our class period, but in case you might have forgotten where anything is, the video will be located here on our Start Here page under the second link. So when you open Blackboard, you will find the Start Here menu to begin. You can find some information about me under the Instructor Introduction, where to find me, a little bit about my history and background. Note that in this introduction, my office moved from Almond Building 309A to 309D. So I'm right around the corner from where I used to be, but the introduction I think still says A, where now I'm in D. So that's where you can find me. Almond Building is the building that has the cashier's office, and if you're turning in from Miller Street, it would be the second building on your left. And I'm on the third floor. So once you've checked that out and you're reviewing this course navigation video, you want to take care of this course entry assignment right away. This is how the college determines attendance, and so that assignment absolutely has to be completed by January 13th, or you will not be able to remain in the class. The last thing you'll find here is the syllabus. This is everything you need for the course. All the information that you need. And once you're finished with all of those things, you can go back up to the top here, and on the left-hand menu is where you'll find everything you need for our course. So the next thing you'll want to do is go to this coursework, and you can see for each one of the units we have a folder. So we'll start in Unit 1, and then the first section is 1.1. For each of these we'll have a reading, a video, a lab, and an assessment. And so this assessment will be your homework, and that will take you directly to a separate web page when you click on there, and you can just complete your assignment right there in Blackboard. So you do not have to purchase the text or anything else for this course. Everything should be free and completely embedded in Blackboard. So that's how the coursework appears. Let's see. What else did I want to make sure to show you? Okay, so this is a multimodal class, which means that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we will have in-person class, and that's in the Strickland Center 3366. If for some reason that you have a life event or you are not feeling well or something happens and you need to stay home during that time, we will also record on Zoom so you can still participate. On Mondays and Wednesdays, we will only meet online on Zoom. So our very first class is Monday, January 10th, and we will meet synchronously on Zoom at 10 a.m. in the morning, and that link will be in an email that I've already sent you. So you should be able to find that pretty clearly. So that's how it works. Monday, Wednesday, we just meet on Zoom from 10 to 11:20, and then Tuesday, Thursday, you may either come to class in person RLS 3366, but if something comes up and you need to be synchronous for the day, we will also record and be live on Zoom during that time period. Let's see, assignment checklist. This is kind of important. So I put this here. This is also at the end of your syllabus. But this document, it may take a second. I think it's maybe in Word. Hold on one second. Or it just scrolled down, or I'm not sure what happened. Hold on. Let's try that one more time. Oh, I see what it did. It downloads whenever you click on it. There we go. So that will download that assignment checklist for you, and it will give you the dates for every single assignment that's due for the class. So you can follow along here and check things off as you go, and you know you'll be right on task. Okay, we go back to Blackboard. So we have our assignment checklist, our Zoom meetings. So when you come to the Zoom meeting site, I don't have a scheduled meeting, but you will not, this is what I see on my end. What you'll see is just the class for the day. If for some reason you miss class and we have recorded it, you can go to class recordings right here, find the date of the class that you missed, and you can rewatch the video. Or if you're in class and you think, wow, I can't remember exactly what we were doing, or I would like to hear that again, you can go back to the recorded session. The last thing I put here on the left-hand side on the menu is this link to schedule tutoring. So if at some point in the class you feel like you could use some extra tutoring or you're having some trouble with something, this is the link that shows you exactly how to schedule a tutoring session. And so that's been created for us by our Learning Center, and that will get you straight to a tutoring sign-up sheet. I think that's just about everything for our course. Once you finish the start here, you'll go straight to coursework. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My instructor information is also on the left-hand side, email, telephone numbers, all of that. And I look forward to meeting with you all next week.